Think you can solve math problems that challenge the brightest minds? Test your Olympiad skills, and see if you're faster than a calculator. Good luck.
If x plus y equals 10 and y equals 2, find x times y. Time up. Simplify, 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2 to 5 power 2. Time up. If 7 times 5 equals 16, find a. Time up. Simplify, 3 divided by 4, plus 2 divided by 5. Time up. Solve, 2 times x, 3, equals 10. Time up. Find value, 5 power 2 to 3 power 2. Time up. If x divided by 2 plus 3 equals 11, find x. Time up. Evaluate, 6 times 3, divided by 2 plus 5. Time up. Simplify, 2 power 3 plus 3 power 2. Time up. If 3 times x plus 2 equals 11, find x. Time up. Solve, 15 divided by 5 to 2, plus 4 power 2. Time up. Simplify, 7 divided by 8 to 1 divided by 4. Time up. Find x, 2 times x, 7 equals 9. Time up. Simplify, 12 divided by 3 times 2. Time up. If x power 2 equals 49, find x. Time up. Evaluate, 5 times 3 plus 2, 4 power 2. Time up. If x plus 2 times y equals 14 and y equals 3, find y. Time up. Simplify, 2 times 3 plus 4, 5. Time up. Simplify, 5 divided by 6 plus 1 divided by 3. Time up. Solve, 9 to 2 power 3. Time up. Find, 4 times 5, divided by 2 plus 7. Time up. Simplify, 3 power 2 times 2 to 4. Time up. If 6 times x, 3 equals 15, find x. Time up. Simplify, 2 divided by 3 times 3 divided by 4. Time up. Evaluate, 10, 2 power 2 plus 1. Time up. Quiz completed. Congratulations on completing the Ultimate Olympiad Math Challenge. Keep challenging yourself and invite your friends.